Sources telling ABC News the Justice Department and President Trump are considering a deal to resolve ongoing legal battles. The agreement would create a Truth and Justice Commission and a compensation fund for alleged victims of government weaponization. Now, in exchange, President Trump would drop his lawsuit against the IRS. However, the deal faces significant legal hurdles. ABC's Allison Cossack has the details.
Tonight, President Trump's $10 billion lawsuit against the IRS may soon be dropped, but sources tell ABC News only as part of a deal now raising new and legal political questions. The lawsuit stems from the leak of some of his tax returns in 2019 and 2020 by a government contractor who pled guilty in 2023. And now sources say the president is preparing to drop the $10 billion lawsuit in exchange for the creation of a fund that would compensate his allies who claim they were targeted by the, quote, weaponized Biden Justice Department.
Donald Trump is setting up a $1.7 billion political slush fund for the Proud Boys and the Oath Keepers and his other political lieutenants and hangers-on.
ABC News learning the fund would be called the President Donald J. Trump Truth and Justice Commission and funded to the tune of $1.776 billion of taxpayer money. That number, a reference to the nation's founding. Sources say the commission would be under no obligation to disclose the process of awarding any compensation. Trump would not be personally eligible to receive payments, but sources say entities associated with him would be, as would the 1,600 individuals charged in the January 6th Capitol attack that Trump pardoned his first day in office last year. Even some Republican lawmakers appearing shocked.
I don't even know how that's allowable to happen.
Sources saying this deal came together after the Justice Department and the White House abandoned a months-long effort to try to pay Trump directly. Democratic lawmakers are now calling on Congress to pass legislation to restrict the use of taxpayer dollars for the proposed compensation fund. Allison Cossack, ABC News, New York.